Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to print from Canva. So guys, you've been wondering how you can finally print some of your designs from Canva. In this tutorial I'll be simply showing you how you can go about that. I have a design already opened up. So let's say you're done working on a design, either a black and white design or a color design. I'm going to be showing you how you can use how you can print in color as well. But let's say you want to print this out to your computer. All you need to do is just click on share at the top right, click on download, and then where we have PDF, make sure the file type is set to PDF or PDF print, which is the best for printing. Now you could click on flatten if you have more than one page, but we're just going with one page alone. Now just simply click on download and it's going to download your PDF. So this is going to be downloaded as a PDF print. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and click on open to simply open it in a new folder. Now, once it opens in this new folder, all you need to do is just double click on it and your printer is, it's going to open up as a document. And once it's opened at the top right here, where we have print, just click on print here. And then you can select the number of pages you want it printed as. If you want it printed in color, you could select color. If you want just black and white, it's going to show up just in black and white. Now for color, it's the same process. Let me just minimize this. For color, it's the same process. Let's just change the background color to something like red text or orange, which is better. We could just select the color here and go with this. Same process, click on share, click on download, and make sure it's set to PDF print again. Click on download once more, and it's now going to download this as a purple design. Once it's opened, just go ahead and open it in the tab, and it's going to open up like this. And for this, all you need to do is click on print again, and then where we have color, simply set it to print in either black and white, or you could set it to print in color like this so it looks like a punchy detail, and then simply click on print and you're done. All right guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.